finally got all our permits in order, and after receiving about 3 bids, we hired a subcontractor to clear our lot. We had to clear almost an acre to include the drainage fields for the septic system. They said they would have had it done in a couple weeks, but we didn't get a contract on that, and it ended up taking almost a month, which we had to constantly call them. They always had an excuse. The truck broke down, or someone was sick, or something like that. But I figured they were at other jobs that held them up. So if you can, always get a contract with penalty clauses that will keep them on your job until it's finished. I did check to see if any sawmills were interested in the large oak trees, as many were over 100 foot tall and very straight, and they were interested if we brought the logs to them. They would come out and cut them and take them out if we let them have all 7 acres of trees. We couldn't do that, so we just let the excavators have the logs, and they took them somewhere. Look at that. There it goes. Look at that. Right over. Wow. After they cleared the lot, I had to lay out where the house and garage was going to be placed, as they had to know where to make it perfectly level for the garage and where to dig out for the basement. While they were clearing the lot and digging the hole for our basement, we had other things we had to get ready and accomplish. Okay, so we have our temporary service all ready to be inspected. We have the meter socket. We have the power box with a 20 amp and a 30 amp breaker in. We have the 20 amp outlet here, and we'll be putting in the 30 amp outlet tomorrow. We have our ground that goes all the way down to an 8-foot stake that we pounded into the ground, 8-foot copper stake. And it should get approved, and we should have our power by Monday or Tuesday. The 30 amp outlet was for the trailer. I then found a subcontractor to put in our septic. This was critical timing, as they couldn't start leveling the dirt for the garage or laying out the footings until the septic pipes had been laid under the garage, over to the house, and to the tank, and a septic pipe installed in the garage, as we needed that for our trailer. This was all critical measuring. We then had the water company put in our water tap, which I would connect after the foundation was poured. These were all things we were going to need to hook up our trailer as soon as we could move it into the garage.